All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another live New York session. It is July 12th, 2023. So before we get started, let's go ahead and check the news here. And we are going to be trading CPI at 8:30. So let's go ahead and get started for that. So we're going to be implementing the G.S.A strategy, which is a mixture of trading ranges and the cheat code indicator. So let's turn on the cheat code indicator and figure out what price is at. Looks like price is nowhere near the Bollinger Bands at all. We did have a retest sell, maybe right around here. But we would trade this on the 1 hour. We wouldn't trade this because looks like price is not sticking out of the Bollinger Band. We did have a retest sell probably down in here, but we wouldn't trade that because we're going to be trading the 15-minute. So now what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what is the overall trend of the market. So we can see that price has been trending downward ever since this point. Previous lows have been broken. So we can see that. So we'll say that the overall market is bearish. And that's what we're going to put. All right. Now, let's switch over to the 15-minute time frame. So then when we look at the overall market here, we can see that price is overall bullish because of the previous highs that have been broken. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and update our trend line here. Then we're going to look at our trading ranges. So we can see that price did a huge sell move down to here. So starting from this swing high to this swing low. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw our swing low here. And our swing high up here. And then we notice that this is the most recent break of structure here. Because we see that there is a swing low here and price broke that. So that's what we're going to put. So I would say that we're in the bearish trading range at this point. So then we're going to label that for bearish trading range. We're going to label this as the swing low. This one has a swing high. And this one has the break of structure. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our fib and go from the most recent swing high to the swing low. Actually, let me see. I might actually change my bias here. I might actually change my bias. Price is overall bullish here. If I could, let me actually go back. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. So price is overall bullish. So I'm actually looking at this big move here. So I'm going to take the swing low here. up to this swing high. And then look at this previous break of structure here. That's what I mean to say. So we're in the bullish trading range. Oops. It was our swing low. Our break of structure. And this is our swing high. Now, we're going to take our fib, go from the most recent low to the most recent high. So you can kind of see that price is resting in this 50 to 60% area. So we want to put this here as our buy zone. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the cheat code indicator to see if the Bollinger Bands match with the structure. When you do that. Yeah, so the Bollinger Band matches, so the structure is all the way down here. So let me actually zoom in. So we see that there's an overall structure here. So more than likely, let me actually see something here. I see anything here. Yeah. So I'm thinking that price is probably going to come down to this area, maybe skip out of here and then buy that. That's what I'm thinking. Price could do a counter trend buy all the way up to here and then go down. So that's my thinking. Price did break this stretch there. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the 9:15 candle to close. If I see price coming down anywhere in this area and we get that, then I'm going to probably get more of an idea where more likely the price is going to go. I might even change my bias then. But price did break this previous swing low. So price is probably more likely bearish, but it could sell down to here, stick out to here, do a strong counter trend buy up to here and then come back down. So let's wait for the 9:15 candle and we'll see what happens. Be right back. All right, so the 8:15 candle closed. So I'm planning on doing the buy because price is probably going to drop down to here. Maybe do stick out as Bollinger Band, might do a counter trend buy, maybe. That's what I'm thinking. I might buy it all the way up to here. But as we get closer to the 9:30 bell, 8:29 candle, I'll make my decision then on what we're going to do. So this, try to catch it all the way up to here. So this is going to be TP1, 900 plus points. That's my plan. So we have less than 13 minutes. Well, we have about 12 minutes, 11 to 12 minutes before we decide to put our trades in. So once we get to 8:29, we're going to switch over to, oh snap, I think that. Once I get to 8:29, hold on for a minute, sharing live stream. Once I get to 8:29, then we want to go ahead and initiate our trades. But I'm going to try to shoot for a buy if price gets down here. If it doesn't and price stays still to this area, then it might end up being a sell on the main account. So we'll see. We got less than 12 minutes now. Be right back. We have a test buy signal here. So more than likely, I'm probably going to initiate the buy on the main account. And we'll see in about 7 minutes. Be right back. So it's 8:29. So I'm going to go ahead and initiate the sell for this. All right. Let me know when it's 20 seconds in, Chris, and I'll put the order in. All right. Let me know. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and initiate.
Do it now. Do it now. Yeah, do it now.
See, we were right. It's going up. Keep on going. Come on, come on, come on. Keep going. Keep going. Let me switch over. Only giving me 11,000 or something. I'm gonna give you another couple of seconds. If it only gives me 12,000, give me at least 12,000. Come on. Give me at least 12,000. Okay. I closed it. Dang, I closed it too early, but it bought. We made 10,275.
You said how much?
Or 10,275. But I jumped out too quickly.
Okay.
But at least we made something. So
yeah, absolutely.
Let me pause this report and document the results. Then I'll be right back. You can see I jumped out too early. The price really went up, but it's okay. I believe on here. Price went 12. Jumped out too early, but it's okay. So let me go ahead and share my results with you. Give me a second here. So there's a Funded Trader Plus account, a rare account. We made over $10,000. Could have did better, but at least we made a profit. The price is still down, pretty healthy, but it's okay. So that's it for this session, guys. We did good. See you guys next time. Bye.